I can solve a system of two equations in two unknowns by graphing. Okay, so we have two equations. They're nicely set up in slope-intercept form. So to find where to solve the system for x and y, we're looking for where they intersect. What x, y value do they share in common? So this one here, I'm going to start this at -4 on the y-axis. And my slope is a +2. So I'm going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. That way I can get a really nice straight line. Ruler. Okay, and this next one in black. So here I'm going to start at 4. Now this is a negative slope. So a negative slope we're going to go down to over 3. Oh, look at that. I already know where they intersect. I was able to plot it right on there. So this is the point we're looking for. That point right here. So that's 3, 2. And that is the only point that these two lines share in common. So x is 3, y is 2. All right. I can solve a system of two equations in two unknowns algebraically. All right, so let's see here. We've got y equals x plus 1 and 2x plus 4y equals -8. This is nicely set up for substitution, right? We're being asked to do it algebraically. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take x plus 1, and where I see y, I'm going to substitute x plus 1. So this becomes 2x plus 4. And where the y was, I'm going to put an x plus 1 is equal to -8. And now I just solve that for x. So this is 6x. If I subtract 4, I get -12. X is -2. Okay, but I need to know what y is, and we know that y is equal to x plus 1. So x plus 1. So y is going to be -1. There's my x. There's my y. All right. B. Okay, we're going to solve this algebraically. So not set up for substitution. I don't have anything solved for a variable. Oh, but look, we can use elimination quite easily because these match. Remember, when they match, we're going to subtract to get rid of the x's. If they were opposites, we would add. So for instance, if this was a +5y, we could add to get rid of the y's. But since these are the same, they match, we're subtracting. 10x minus 10x, that goes away. -2 minus a -5, that's 3y. 20 minus 5 is 15. So y is going to be 5. Now, we need to find what x is. So we're going to go 10x. I'm going to plug it in up here. Minus 2 times 5 is equal to 20. So what x value makes this equation work? 10x minus 10. So 10x is equal to 30. So x is 3. X is 3. Y is 5. Done.